Hello and welcome back to Rick's Flicks, an impromptu edition of Rick's Flicks. What happened today, Nick?
I got off work an hour early.
That's right, she got off early, so why not hit up Universal Studios? Okay, since this is so impromptu, there is no plan. I have no idea what's going on. I do have a few little facts I keep in my back pocket for just such an occasion, but just follow along with us. Let's see what happens. Well, the first thing I want to mention as we head down Hollywood Boulevard here is that I still believe this is going to be Jurassic Park Live. The old T2 building, that's what I believe. Some people still don't believe that, like Nikki.
Yeah, I mean, if they're gonna possibly put it on the other side of the park, why would they repeat it? I'm thinking that it's gonna be something, I don't know, like Star Trek.
No, I think they want to spread it around. Jurassic World is a big property for them. Having it in both parks, not a big deal. One of the interesting facts I just learned, Nikki, in the past I wondered what was this window dedicated for, and I just learned that it's dedicated to the 6 Universal employees who died at the Pulse nightclub shooting in Orlando. So it's a very good
It's
memorial for those.
Yes, absolutely, and wonderful dedication to those lives that were lost needlessly.
Okay, another thing I wanted to do when we were here today, Nikki, is I've heard they've been testing the fountains for the new water show.
Yeah.
I think we're a little late for that. I think that's more of a daytime testing than an evening.
Right.
So let's just go down by the lagoon and see if it's happening or not. And there is no testing going on.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Yeah, I figured we missed it because I'm sure it's tested mainly when most of the maintenance crew's here.
During the day,
Yeah, and this is after hours for them, so. But I did do a whole video on what this show should be like and some of the information regarding it. I'll leave a link to that right up here in the corner. Go check that out. Well, the Lagoon Fountains may not be going off right now, Nikki, but what is?
The fire hydrant.
Heck yeah, popping the water plug, just for time's sake.
Okay.
Was that water plug not your speed?
No.
Didn't feel like getting wet?
No, I'm not gonna go play in that.
Okay, let's go ahead into Williams of Hollywood for you then. Did you find anything interesting in there, Nick?
Yes, I found a Hill Valley poster. It was only $30.
Yeah, that's a good deal for in there.
Yes, it was really cool too. It was the clock tower.
They had one for the flux capacitor too, and that one was like 150.
I wonder what the difference is.
I know, but I mean that other one seems like a steal. How can we pass it up?
I know, right? I don't want to carry it around though.
Well, I'll tell you what, I didn't find what I was looking for. I was looking for some mummy stuff because you know they're renovating over there.
That's true. They got the whole front like blocked off.
I know. Let's pop over there and check it out.
Okay.
So here's the deal with the mummy. At first, I thought maybe they're just doing some retheming. And then my second thought was, oh God, I hope it's not for that god-awful Tom Cruise mummy movie.
Oh no, that'd be awful.
And then I realized they could be moving the lockers, Nikki.
Yep.
Over here to the right, we have the regular lockers outdoors. But this main entrance is really never used. You just walk right through it.
That's
I got
true.
a feeling this is going to be new lockers for the mummy.
Oh, that'd be nice because it would be an air-conditioned space and stuff like that. So yeah, that'd be kind of cool.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I really hope it's not the Tom Cruise mummy stuff.
Nah, I bet you it's the lockers. I think we're right on that one.
And as you can see, Nikki, they already have the new wait time signs up and everything.
Oh yeah, look at that.
The standby is only 15 minutes, single rider is 5. There's the express. What do you say we do single rider right now?
Heck yeah, let's do it.
Well, Nikki, you just got off the mummy. Welcome back. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, in fact, I was on with a family of newbies. I mean, the entire cart, I was like I was part of the family. I mean, it was hilarious. They were screaming. I mean,
it's always fun that way.
It is, it's more fun. It is. When you're on with a group of people who've never been on before, it was awesome.
Okay, well, you enjoyed the ride. Are you enjoying this interview?
Yeah.
Oh, girl, I set you up.
Oh.
I set you up. Come back here. I'm not cutting this. I'm not retaking this. I set you up. I teed you up for that comment.
I would have enjoyed this interview if I had my cup of coffee.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, my goodness. You know what I think we should do, Nikki?
What?
Every time we come to Universal, before we turn the camera on, let's start with the mummy.
Okay.
Don't even vlog it. Let's just start with that because that is better than a cup of coffee to get us going, right?
Yeah, honestly, it helps us push the reset button. I was kind of tired when I first got here. So, no, I feel much better now.
So there we go. That's the plan.
Exactly. Just put me on the mummy. I'll be fine.
Okay, so I tell you what. The wait times are really short right now. Let's just walk around, see if we can ride anything.
Yeah.
And we might have made it here in time for the parade. If so, I'll insert that at the very end of this video. Okay, Nikki, 25-minute standby, 10-minute single rider. I have an express pass. What do you think about the slow and the curious right now?
You stole my line.
Oh no, I made that up myself.
No, you didn't. Oh my goodness.
Is this a go or no go?
No, it's a no-go. Not for, I don't even want to wait 10 minutes.
Okay, move on.
It's so bad.
If Fast and the Furious, or Slow and the Curious as I've dubbed it, is a no-go, let's go check out Escape from Gringotts. So as we're making our way over to Gringotts, Nikki is trying to take credit for my clever line about the Slow and the Curious.
That is not true. I got that from someone else on Facebook. I thought it was hilarious.
Okay, Nick, so it's 25-minute standby. They do not list a single rider time. Are we gonna risk it?
Yeah, we can always pop back around if we find that it's too long.
Okay, let's go for it.
Alrighty.
Okay, Nikki, I timed it 4 minutes. I don't think we can do better than 4 minutes.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
yeah, no. We can't beat 4 minutes, can we?
No. That's crazy.
Unless I spend 10 seconds filming outside
Yeah,
and 7 people jump in front of us.
that's true. You did do that. You said, wait a second, hold on, let me get the film me outside, and then it ended up taking you like 10 seconds or 15 seconds, and then this huge group of people go walking in.
So let me rephrase that. 4 minutes. We can't beat 4 minutes, can we, Nikki?
Oh yes, we can.
I gave you opportunity to throw me under the bus and you didn't take it.
I'm being nice.
You are.
I'm a nice person.
Okay, there's one more thing I want to mention. Now, I've been vlogging for what, 15, 16 months, something like that, Nikki?
Yeah, yeah.
Something about this ride that I've never mentioned. It's a delicate subject.
I know what it is.
So I'm 6'2", I'm kind of leggy. I ran the hurdles in college, the 110-meter hurdles, the 400-meter hurdles.
The high ones.
So I'm tall, 6'2", kind of leggy. Those seats are uncomfortable for a man, if you catch my drift. I'm trying to say this delicately, but if you're like 6'2", kind of leggy, be careful of that lap bar. Let's continue our way around the park, see what else we can do.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind going on like the Simpsons ride or something. It's been a while since we've been on it.
Or let's check Men in Black when we get there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, as we're making our way over to Men in Black, it's a little weird filming at this hour because of the sun.
Right.
The sun's like on the opposite side.
Exactly. We're always here in the morning, never in the afternoon or evening.
Right, but
So.
you know what it does feel like at this hour?
HHN hour?
Halloween Horror Nights.
Exactly. I'm so ready for it this year. 10 houses.
Well, you know what? We're walking by Men in Black. You can see part of the house already.
No, really?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Awesome.
So here we are by MIB, and as we pan over to the left, Nikki, see this tent?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see it.
Yeah, that's Halloween Horror Nights, baby.
Oh, yes. I'm so excited.
10-minute standby, 5-minute single rider. What's our poison, Nikki?
Single rider. That way you don't have to compare your score to mine and I can lie.
Okay. Okay, Nikki, what was your score?
184. I did win for the car, though.
Mine was not so high. 155.
Wait, I looked at the bonus, though.
You know, in comparison to other vloggers, we are so bad at this game.
Oh, yeah, we're pathetic. But hey, you know, if I win the cart, I'm good with it.
I do have something to say about this ride, though.
What?
As far as AC is concerned, the single riders and the express, I'm not sure about standby, that is the best line here for cool AC.
Yes, it is freezing in there. It's awesome.
So, you want some cool AC, hit up Men in Black.
Yeah.
Since we're over here by the Coke Refreshment Center, let's give a subscriber shout out, Nick.
To Stephen James.
Thanks for liking, sharing, commenting, all
On
these
both
stuff.
of our channels.
That's right.
We really appreciate it, Stephen. Thanks a lot.
Rick's Flicks and Nikki Rocks.
Yeah. The Simpsons.
Yay or nay on this one? 20-minute standby,
Oh.
and there's no single rider, so
No.
it's gonna be a no. Let's pass this one by.
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's time to try to win a toy for our dog Winnie. I'm gonna try a game I've never tried before. I always win with the balloons, but let's try this one today.
Oh no. Dude.
Okay, which one would Winnie like better, the pizza or the duck?
Let's go for the pizza, honestly.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Yeah, she's never had that before. Thank you. Thanks for playing, guys.
Okay, Nick, as we walk our pizza around the park, where to next? You're wanting to try Rip Ride Rocket, aren't you?
Ooh, can I?
You want to see what the wait time is at?
Heck yeah, man.
Okay.
Definitely. Let's go.
Okay, Nikki, before we get there, what's your max wait time?
15 minutes.
So if it's 15 minutes, you'll go on it.
Yes.
Over 15, you're gonna bypass.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check it out, see if it is. So here's the moment of truth. Single riders is 5 minutes, and the regular standby is 25. Want to do single rider?
Oh yeah, it's got to be single rider, totally.
How was it?
Awesome. Love it.
What song did you play?
I'm not saying.
What song did you play?
I played Limp Bizkit.
Limp Bizkit again.
I always play.
Switch it up once in a while, girl.
I know. It hits the beats really well.
Okay, with that out of the way, your Rip Ride Rocket, Nikki, what's next?
I have no idea.
No idea, you're thirsty, let's go to drink,
Yeah.
and we'll discuss if we want to go to IOA,
Ooh,
or if we want to do Jimmy Fallon. No Jimmy Fallon. Okay, let's go get a drink. What'd you get here, Nick?
I got the orange cream.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. I've never gotten it before. I really like it.
And by the way, it's $4.99 for that orange cream frozen drink.
Thanks, hon.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, we're not gonna go ride Jimmy Fallon race through New York, but inside the gift shop, I gotta show you this.
Ooh, what is it?
A Panda Suit.
No way.
Look at this sucker.
Oh, that's so cool.
So for $106, you too can be hashtag the panda for some reason.
Halloween.
Okay guys, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Nikki does have to get up and go to work in the morning. But we should do this more often.
We should. It's a lot of fun.
That was totally a lot of fun.
Absolutely.
We did like most of our favorite stuff.
I know, and it was all just single rider, so I mean, we pretty much did the whole loop. It was great.
That was cool.
Yeah.
So with that being said,
Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
thanks for watching Mixed Flicks, and now it's time to relax.